Good morning, everyone. This is Marvin from StockMarketPlan.com. I'm doing a silver report today for May 5th, May 5th session, and that's what you have in front of you is a silver contract. And silver has been in the news lately with key figures, financial figures out there that are selling the metal for their own reasons. One of them being Mr. Slim from Mexico. He is regarded by Forbes as the world's richest man. And when people move money, people of that stature move money, the world listens. Now, is that the only reason why silver is down close to 25% or more just this week alone? That's what you're seeing right here. Okay, come down. Here we are. Yeah, that's Friday right here. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is a prime example of why I do what I do. Some people ask me, Marvin, why do you do these videos? The simple answer is to show people who would not otherwise have someone to at least get them involved in this world before they start putting money at risk just because they heard from some friend or of a friend or whatever, okay, something on TV that silver was hot and it was just going crazy, and you just have to be a part of it. So you go out, and I'm talking to that person that I'm talking to you right now, the one that went out and made a hefty IRA withdrawal or savings account withdrawal, and put a large part of your holdings into commodities, whether it's silver, gold, whatever. Now, I don't want to sound too grim. A lot of you out there have bought up here, and again, you're down 25% and you're holding, and now you're hoping that it goes back up. Now, we slashed right through the 20-day, right through the 50-day, and as you can see, did it in very large volume. Okay, so that's the big players coming out of the metal. Why? I have no idea, and I don't care. So I mean, if you start wondering why things are happening, that's when you get into trouble. The best thing to do is just to go with the trend and see what's going on. I mean, if I would have bought this metal here, I would have known, hey, I'm going to manage my risk. Maybe I sell half here, maybe I sell my whole position here, and I'm out, okay? And I take a loss because now that person has a 25% loss, okay, in the whole position. So that's not risk management, okay? When you let a position do this to you, it is not risk management, because now you're just hoping and praying that this thing goes back up, okay? And we've gone from here to here in just 4 days, okay? The good thing is that we're coming up. This line here is a line that I drew back here from this old high in December, okay, and it's kind of built a nice little base right here, and then it catapulted from there. So I think that's the next level where we'll see some type of bidding come into the futures contract. Now, it hurts. This hurts right here. I mean, a lot of people out there put 100,000 down. They have 75 G's. $25,000 less than what they had in 4 days. Okay, that hurts. Okay, so just beware. Don't get caught up in all the hype and all the talk about commodities and gold and silver. I think personally gold is still in a bull market, okay, and silver definitely in a short-term to intermediate correction. I mean, this is huge, 25% in 4 or 5 days. So 4 to 5 days. So it's a lot of capital loss right there, okay. And well, Marvin, I'm not selling it. I'm gonna hold it. Okay, well, whatever. I mean, if you liked it here, I'm sure you would have liked it a lot more way down here. That's what I say to those people. I mean, that's not how you manage risk. Rolling the dice and just hoping that this thing goes back up it's not how you play this market. But to each his own. I think now, if you're still holding this thing, you are hoping that you get a bounce into these levels. Maybe a sell a quarter here, another quarter here, percentage, okay, and then sell into the bounce, because this right here is the big players coming out, okay. And if we start seeing a bounce with volume like this, that means that there's the big players are not getting back in, so it's the little people that are going to bring this back up, and that'll be your chance to get out of this thing. Definitely right here, that is the last line in the sand, the 200-day moving average. If this thing decides to cross through there and does it on high volume, I would definitely not be an owner of this metal. Definitely not. I think people, this is like a wake-up call. Can this happen to gold? You bet you can. You betcha it can. Oh yes, it can. So this is a lot of people that I talk to always refer to the last person to the party. Yeah, this guy right here that bought up here, last person of the party. And there's nothing wrong with buying here. Okay, it is a bit extended, but have a tight stop below there. And if you don't know what a stop is, get with me. Message me. I'll tell you what that is. Okay. So I mean, have some type of defense. Manage your risk. Don't just go out there and this is not a casino. People going out there and doing this. This is not a casino. There's ways to make money, and you will lose money in this business. Notice I didn't say you won't, or if you will lose money. But the good ones, they lose little when they lose. Okay, this is losing a lot and holding a position all the way down to here. I hate to sound like a broken violin, but you'll get this speech a lot from me. I mean, it's just right now silver just looks like this is bad. This is really bad, especially in this kind of volume. I mean, this metal hasn't seen that kind of volume since, consistent like this. Look, going back to all of last year. Okay, just gave all of that up, 25% in 5 days. So I think it's going to take a lot for this thing to get legs again. Okay, because this is not the small. This is not the small money crowd coming out of this thing. Anyways, okay, guys, this is Marvin from StockMarketPlan.com with your silver report for May 5th of 2011. If you have any questions on any of the stuff that I discussed here, feel free to comment on the videos. Go to the website, StockMarketPlan.com. You can share on Facebook under Stock Market Plan, and also on Twitter under Stock Market Plan. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.